Hello there, Bunggay. This is Bunggay TV, and today is September 20, 2022. We are on our way to Greenhills, and then right after that, we'll head off to maybe Rizal Park, and then go to Dolomite Beach, and then finally we'll be heading to Ikea in Pasay, and we're gonna eat there, I guess. This will be an adventure for today. I'll be with Mommy, Auntie Janet, Cecile and Mang Caloy will be driving us around. So there you go, guys. This is Bunggay TV, and let's head off to Metro Manila. Let's go, guys.
Join us as we travel to Metro Manila. Let's go, Kabunggays! First stop, eat breakfast in Greenhills.
Hello there, guys. We're here now at Greenhills, and we're looking for some place to eat here for breakfast right before going to Ikea. So hanap lang kami ng kakainan dito sa Greenhills. So we're here now at Promenade, Greenhills, and we're just looking for a parking slot right before we eat breakfast. Alright, so park muna kami dito.
Morning.
So we're now here at Greenhills. Hanap kami ng kakainan. Di namin alam, siguro doon na lang tabid tayo. I guess we're gonna eat here at Tropical Hut. So pasok na tayo.
And we finally decided to eat breakfast here at Tropical Hut.
Alright, guys, so nandito kami sa Tropical Hut for our breakfast right before going to Manila. I'm with Auntie Janet. Hello. Mang Caloy. Hello. Cecile. Mami.
Hi!
Let's eat, guys. Alright, tapos na kami dito sa Tropical Hut, and baka bibili lang ako ng gamot and tubig sa Mercury Drug. Dito tayo sa Mercury buying water and Cremeles.
Bought meds for my acid.
Alright, Cremeles Advance 70-50. So we're done here at Greenhills, and we are moving to Manila. So let's go, guys, and let's travel to Manila now. Let's go.
Let's now head off to Manila. And our first stop, Luneta Park. Let's go, Kabunggays!
We're here now at Rizal Park Visitor Center. So they have like painting gallery here. Hanggang kailan po to?
Hanggang sa 28 po.
And the featured artist, Ian Sapang. His artworks are purely abstract in nature.
Alright, so nandito kami ngayon sa Luneta Park. Nandito si Kuya. Hi, Kuya! Anong pangalan? Ricky. So ako magpapapicture kayo, 50 pesos lang. So kami magpapapicture kami kay Kuya, and it is 50 pesos per shot. Alright, so nandito na kami sa Rizal Park. Papapicture kami dito sa harap ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Buti naman at hindi umuulan.
And welcome to Rizal Park or Luneta Park near Kilometer Zero.
Grabe, ang pangit talaga ng photo bomber, oh.
1, 2, 3, jump shot! Let's now appreciate the beauty of Luneta Park.
Alright, guys, so tapos na kami dito sa Rizal Park, and we are now on our way to Dolomite Beach sa may Ross Boulevard. And then right after that, we're gonna go to Ikea, and hopefully may time pa kami to go to Okada, Manila. Alright, nandito si Kuya, tapos na raw yung pictures. Oh, check. Dami mong pinrint. Alright, guys, so this is what I got. This too big thing. Alright, guys, so punta na tayo sa Dolomite Beach. Let's go. On the way na kami sa Dolomite Beach. Hopefully may parking, and sana hindi umulan. Alright, so bago kami pumunta dito, since traffic, punta na muna kami siguro sa Ikea. So this is the Manila Baywalk Dolomite Beach. This is the Coconut Palace. Amazing show.
Amazing dahil makakatakot.
Oo, tama yan nga yun.
Nakakatakot dyan. Yung multo dyan.
And we're now at the SM MOA Complex.
Alright, so nandito na kami sa SM and we are going inside. Tapos diretso na kami sa IKEA after. Let's go. So nandito na kami sa IKEA. Let's just wait for Ate Aida, EJ, and Kuya Nelson. So that's it for now. I'll give you guys an update later. Nandito na sila Ate Aida, si EJ, and Kuya Nelson. Alright, so let's enter IKEA. Let's go. This is IKEA showroom.
And welcome to IKEA Philippines, located at Marina Way, Mall of Asia Complex, Barangay 76, Zone 10, Pasay City, Metro Manila, Philippines. They are open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Welcome to Swedish Restaurant. So we're here now at the food area of IKEA. So there's the line there. And we're gonna buy food there. Alright, so we're paying. So we're done, and this is what we got: meatballs, salmon, and that one, and that one, and that one. Alright, so we're done ordering and we're here. So you have to clean as you go. Alright guys, so we're done here at IKEA and we are going to pay downstairs and check the grocery as well. Alright guys, so we're done here at IKEA and Ate Aida is paying all the items that they bought. So you can also buy food here. Swedish Bistro. The food market is right there. Ice cream. We're done here at IKEA. We're done here at MOA and baka punta kami sa Okada right before going to Dolomite. Alright, so Mang Caloy is here and we're on our way to Okada. Let's go! Largest IKEA in the world.
Yeah, tita.
Alright guys, so cancel tayo sa Okada. Dinaanan lang namin. But we're gonna try to check if hindi traffic sa Dolomite.
Hindi Manila.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to the Dolomite Beach. Sana bukas pa siya. And sana pwede pa kaming magpa-picture dun sa loob. So let's go. Alright, so nandito na tayo sa Dolomite Beach. Dito na kami sa Dolomite. Let's go! Alright guys, so we're here now at the Dolomite Beach. Let's go! Alright, so ganito kapino yung buhangin dito. And this is how wide it is. Tapos may mga tipak-tipak na bato. Malalaki din. Ito galing siguro sa bagyo. Yung mga nilinis na yan. Mga basura. And all that. At last, nakapasyal din dito. Alright guys, so we're done here. Let's go back to Pampanga. Thank you guys for joining us today. And we're here at Manila Bay, Dolomite Beach. We are now stress-free. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa Otse. Tapos na kami sa Dolomite Beach. And diretso na kami sa Pampanga.
And that's it for this vlog, guys. It's been ages since I uploaded a video. Apologies and thank you for still being there with me. I'm just really preoccupied with the family business. But it is what it is. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and until the next vlog, guys, see ya! Thank you guys for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and share your thoughts by commenting down below. Click here for my latest videos. Follow me on my social media handles on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day!